So Replit launched a new agent today called Replit Agent 4. And this is really a shift in how we experience agents and AI coding to where this is going beyond just apps, right? And even just software. This is going to now, all right, what does it look like to create videos like promo videos, slides, PowerPoint slides, data visualizations, and of course also apps and the like. But it kind of shows the greater possibilities of what building with AI can be like. And so I tested it out today, and I used actually my mobile app, Still Meditation, which is an app I recently launched. It's a meditation app that allows you to create personalized meditation music. And I use Replit 4 as a way to try out, and I use Replit 4 to try out what it would be like to create a promo video for Still Meditation. And so I'll start off by saying one of the things I really liked is that you can actually, let's say, paste in a URL. So if I take the URL for the landing page, if I paste it in, you can actually now extract the branding from that URL. You can extract the text content, and you can even take a screenshot just from pasting in that URL. That's something that I haven't seen in any of these other sort of builders. And I will say that Replit has, and it sort of has made its name for this, which is it's very all-encompassing, right? So Replit has, its own authentication. Replit, you can purchase a domain through Replit rather than going to Namecheap or GoDaddy. You can have a database through Replit. So Replit is a space where you can actually sort of make your home from a business standpoint. Now, one of the challenges that Replit has is the fact that it can be very expensive, and they have a free plan, and they find ways to kind of make it more affordable. But relative to everything else out there, Replit is pretty expensive, and so that is something to be mindful of as far as just like how much in the way of credits you use. But I created this promo video, and if I show that video, it's right here. So it looks really good, I must say, and it shows these different animations, and I actually implemented an audio aspect to it as well. I can't currently hear the audio, so that may be something I need to add back. Also looks like this app screenshot is not showing up there as it should, but it came out pretty good, and I was happy with it. And so that was literally through a prompt. I believe I just did one. I did one prompt. I just said, I'd like to create a marketing promo animation video for my mobile app. Here's the landing page for the app. And then if you click at the top here, Agent 4, it talks about being able to build with parallel agents and design on an infinite canvas. So if I click design on infinite canvas and get started, it shows you all the different things you can do. So you can highlight, you can draw, you can explore the space in different sort of ways. If you click on build with parallel agents, it takes you to this section on the left here where you can start up new kinds of tasks. And so you can have different tasks done at different times. You can also open up a task board, sort of like a Kanban board sort of vibe, where you think about your Trello boards and those kinds of applications. So it adds a lot more functionality to what Replit used to be. I then went on to also start working on SEO for the app. I don't know what's going on here. Went on to work on SEO. So I asked it to make me a 90-day SEO plan so I could look into different ways of gaining traffic. And so this is what it drafted up for me. And so, yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. And I think that the primary sort of launch and the dope part about this release is it kind of gets you thinking about agents in a way that goes beyond apps. Again, for whether it's for marketing, whether it's for operations, whether it's for sales, for data analysis. Like there's so much that you can do with these different agents, and Replit is showing you that. So for me, with this video in particular, I'm going to be creating a YouTube channel specifically for this app, like a long form YouTube channel for meditation, for meditations, where those kind of like binaural or kind of like soft beats and instrumentals that you can use, and that's going to be a sort of top of funnel for at least one of them for being able to download the app. So that'll be in the description. So Replit 4, another launch. We've had a bunch of new launches this week, and I'll cover them in other videos.